Okay, this unit starts off with reviewing the Pythagorean Theorem. Remember, the Pythagorean Theorem is for right triangles only. And for review, the two sides that make the right angle we refer to as the legs of the right triangle, and then the side opposite the right angle is always the hypotenuse. And the Pythagorean Theorem says that a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, where the hypotenuse, which is always the longest side in a right triangle, would be our c value, and then the legs go in for a and b. So for an example of a problem that we're going to have in this, if we look at Q1, Eva is building a slide for her kids. The ladder is 3 meters tall, and she wants the bottom of the slide to be 4 meters away from the ladder. How long does the slide have to be? So in doing this, first thing we should do, let's draw ourselves a triangle to go along with this problem. We were told that that slide is going to be 3 meters tall and then 4 meters from the ladder. Let's see, the bottom of the slide, 4 meters from the ladder. So when we're drawing this out, we're saying that we have 3 meters tall here, 4 meters across the bottom. That's our right angle. How long is the slide? So when we're setting this up, we're going to go 3 squared plus 4 squared is equal to x squared. Now in solving this, I square these first, so 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 4 is 16. That's equal to x squared. I can add those together. Now in solving this, remember x squared, that's x times x, or what number times itself is equal to 25. So I'm going to take the square root of both sides. We find that x is equal to 5 meters. Now we had mentioned that Pythagorean theorem is for right triangles only. So in this question, we're asked, hey, if the triangle has sides of 12, 17, and 20, is it a right triangle? Well, if those sides work in the Pythagorean theorem, then yes, it is. If those sides do not work in the Pythagorean theorem, then no, it is not. And remember, the hypotenuse is the longest. So that means in this case, if it's a right triangle, 20 is the hypotenuse. So when we're setting this one up, we would take 12 squared plus 17 squared, and we're trying to find out, is that equal to 20 squared? So 12 squared plus 17 squared adds up to 433. 20 squared is 400. So 433 does not equal 400. So is this a right triangle? No. All right, good luck.